know, heavy school bags can impact children's well-being. What if we told you we have the perfect solution? A series that makes learning lighter and more engaging. Presenting the new monthly term book series for grades 1 to 5. Featuring 8 compact term books and 2 workbooks for every grade. Aligned with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023. This series is designed for holistic learning to ensure every child achieves their best. For classes 1 and 2, the series includes English, mathematics, environmental studies, general knowledge, value education, and computer science. For classes 3 to 5, science and social studies are added in place of environmental studies. The series adopts a competency-based approach, engaging learners in activities that build 21st century skills and prepare them for the future. Experiential learning, value building, knowledge of India, references to local context, and assessment tools are key features of this series. Let's dive into the features of each subject. English. Focus on language skills, reading comprehension, and vocabulary development. Mathematics. Building strong foundational math skills with fun, interactive exercises. Environmental studies. Encouraging curiosity about the world around us through hands-on learning. Science. Hands-on experiments and investigations to foster scientific curiosity. Social studies. Understanding communities, cultures, and the world with engaging, real-world contexts. General knowledge. Expanding minds with facts from history, geography, and current events. Value education. Instilling important life skills and ethical values. Computer science. Introducing tech basics with activities that spark creativity. To enhance the learning experience, the monthly term book series offers a wealth of interactive and engaging resources for students. Workbooks and MyStudygear app consisting animations, interactive exercises, read aloud and pronunciation, English section. For teachers, our series provides detailed lesson plans, test generators, answer keys, and formative and summative evaluation tools to make teaching seamless. With the new monthly term book series, school bags are lighter, learning is engaging, and students are prepared for tomorrow. Get your set today.